Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the best savings accounts in the UK right now. Now, the best savings account will look different for everyone depending on what you want from your savings account, including whether you need instant access to your cash, the highest interest rate possible, or maybe just some extra helpful features. In this video, I'll take you through the top 4 types of savings accounts, including easy access, regular savers, notice accounts, and cash ISAs. And I'll cover off some of the top savings accounts for each category. So if you want to make the most of your savings this year, like, subscribe, and stick around for the best savings accounts of 2025. Easy access savings accounts, sometimes called instant access accounts, allow you to withdraw funds when needed, although the level of access can vary. So some accounts will limit how many withdrawals you can do within a set term. Some require funds to go into a specific account, while others may take a day or two to process your withdrawal. Overall, they're really helpful for savings that you may need access to throughout the year. For example, I personally use one to save for my car insurance and any unexpected repairs, so I keep it in an easy access pot just in case I need to dip into it on an ad hoc basis. Chase's Saver account is a solid option with no account fees and offers 5% variable interest, which includes a 1.5% bonus for the first 6 months. So your rate will actually go down to 3.5% once the 6 months is up. And you can transfer in up to £25,000 daily. I certainly wouldn't be putting that much in, that's for sure. However, there's a withdrawal limit of £1,500 per month, and you will need to hold a Chase current account to get access to this saver. CHIP's Easy Access Saver also has no account fee and offers a 4.85% variable tracker rate. This is a great option for automated savings because it uses open banking features to help see what you could afford to save. However, there is a catch. You only get 3 penalty-free withdrawals per year. And if you go over that withdrawal limit, it's likely that your interest rate will be reduced. For a quick comparison, if you deposit £1,000 at the start of your 12-month term and just left the money there and didn't save anymore, with Chase's Saver, you would earn around £43 in interest, and with CHIP, you will earn around £48.50 in interest after a year. If you need even more flexible access to your savings, something like Crew might suit you. So Crew's current account offers 3.65% interest on balances up to £500,000, which means you can earn interest on your day-to-day funds without requiring separate savings accounts. A regular saver requires you to pay in a set amount of money each month, usually up to a couple of £100 a month for a set period of time, typically a year. They tend to offer some of the highest interest rates out there at the moment, but you may be penalised or get a lower rate if you touch your cash before the end of the term. And some of these accounts may require you to have a current account with the same provider to get access to the savings account. Principality Building Society offers a market-leading 8% interest, which is fixed for 6 months with no account fees. However, you could only save up to £200 a month, and the high interest rate only lasts for 6 months. Zopa's Regular Saver is another excellent choice, with a 7.5% interest rate fixed for 12 months with no account fee. You can save up to £300 a month into this account, but the account is still in beta testing, so is not going to be available to every customer yet, and it will require you to have a Zopa Bank and Smart Saver account. First Direct's Regular Saver offers an interest rate of 7%, which is fixed for 12 months, and again has no account fee. With this account, you can save up to £300 a month. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you should also be able to get a £175 switch bonus when you switch to a First Direct current account, which you will need to get this Regular Saver. Finally, the Cooperative Bank's Regular Saver also offers 7% variable interest for 12 months with no account fee. Pros include Co-op being an ethically minded bank and being able to save up to £250 a month. Plus, there's a £150 switch deal available if you make the move to a Co-op current account, which you will need to have to get this saver. Because you have to save set amounts each month, I can't do an initial £1,000 deposit comparison like I did for Easy Access Savers. So instead, I've looked at how much interest you would earn if you saved £200 a month, which is the max for some of these accounts. Principality would earn you £27.58 in interest, but remember that's only over 6 months. Zopa would earn you around £98 in interest over 12 months, and First Direct and Co-op Savers would earn you £92.98 in interest over 12 months. Notice savings accounts typically offer higher interest rates than easy access accounts, but require you to give notice before withdrawing your money. For example, a 95-day notice account means you'll need to wait 95 days after requesting your funds to get access to them. Generally, the longer the notice period, the higher the rate. These kind of accounts are great for medium-term goals. You do get that higher rate with them, and the notice period tends to be a good deterrent to just spending your savings on a whim. Plum's Notice Savings account is a standout choice, but it does come with a catch. You'll need to upgrade to Plum Premium, which costs $9.99 a month. In return, you get a pretty decent interest rate of 5.2%, along with extra perks, features, and spending insights as part of Plum Premium. However, the monthly subscription fee might not be for everybody. Moneybox's Notice Savings account has no account fees and offers a slightly lower interest rate of 4.8%. It's a user-friendly option with plenty of educational resources, which might make this app better suited to beginner savers. Again, for a quick interest rate comparison, with that initial £1,000 deposit, Plum will earn you £52 interest, which is less than half of the £119.88 annual fees you'll pay for Plum Premium. And with Moneybox, your interest will be £48 after a year. If you're looking to keep your interest tax-free, cash ISAs are a great option. Every tax year, you can save up to £20,000 into an ISA, and all the interest you earn is completely tax-free. Think of a cash ISA as a savings account with an added perk: no tax. Plum's Cash ISA comes with no account fee and offers a 5.01% variable interest rate for the first 12 months. As a bonus, you'll also get £10 cash back if you save £100 in the first 90 days. It's worth bearing in mind, though, that the higher interest rate applies only to new customers and will require a minimum balance of £100. You're also limited to 3 penalty-free withdrawals per year, so it's not ideal if you do need to dip into it frequently. Moneybox's Cash ISA is another strong option with no account fee and a 5% variable interest rate for 12 months. It's super easy to manage through the Moneybox app, but like Plum, the high rate is for new customers only. The minimum balance requirement is a bit higher with this ISA, so that's £500 you need in your account. And again, you are limited to 3 penalty-free withdrawals per year. With these accounts, an initial £1,000 deposit would earn you £50.10 in interest with Plum and around £50 with Moneybox, so literally 10p interest in it between them. Those are the best savings accounts in the UK right now, whether you're looking for easy access, high interest regular savers, notice accounts, or tax-free savings with an ISA. Let me know in the comments which account caught your eye, or check out the links in the description below for more information. And don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time for more money saving tips.